Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to make haricot beans. The ingredients: beans 500 grams, chicken breast 300 grams, tomato paste 50 grams, paprika paste 25 grams, coriander 1 teaspoon, chopped garlic 1 teaspoon. The preparation: first, we cut the chicken breast into a medium pieces and then fry it with sunflower oil. After it cooked, we add the tomato paste and stir it for 2 minutes. And then we add about 1 liter of hot water. Salt according to taste. After the water boils, we add the beans. I use canned beans because it doesn't need long time to cook. We put the lid of the pot and let it cook for about 40 minutes. In the meantime, we fry the garlic. We add the coriander and then the paprika paste. We fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. We add them to the beans. You can also use kidney beans instead of haricot beans. Bon appetit!